Everybody who pre-ordered one of our autumn Equinox boxes should have received them by now. So I'm going to unbox this and show you exactly what you get inside. So we wanted to create an autumn Equinox box because it's that time of year where the temperature is dropping and it's a bit chilly and it's a little bit miserable outside, but we wanted you to receive a mystery box full of nice items that will make you feel cozy. So I have chosen only things that I would love to receive in the hope that you will enjoy it too. Okay. So you get a little card in here which tells you all about what's in the box and who made it. Now everything in here is handmade, which was really, really important to us. So you can have a little read and check out where your things came from. So first of all, you get one of our original candles in our brand new fragrance, Upstate. We are obsessed with this scent. It has got notes of chestnut, orange rind, and brown sugar. So it's really warming and really cozy and really sweet, and it is just autumn in a candle. So we hope you love it. Get a cute little sticker there. And you also get some Hearth Hot Chocolate. Now, if you have never tried this, you're in for such a treat. We discovered it last year and we've been obsessed with it. They do all sorts of different flavours and it's all handmade in Somerset. So this one is the ginger, but there are different flavours, so you might have got a different one to that. And we're going to stock those on our website, so if you enjoy it, which you will, you can go and choose a different flavour next time. And then we have these, I just love them, little handmade tree decorations. So these are made by Maisie Parks. She hand makes them in clay and hand paints all of them. And she's made these especially for Kip Candle. So this one is a little mushroom, but we have lots of different designs, all very autumnal themed. They just look really cute, decorated around the house. You can hang them from a tree or maybe a nice branch in your hallway. So check out Maisie Parks and you can definitely add to your collection. And we are going to have some stocked on the website in the run up to Christmas as well, so keep your eyes peeled. And then the last thing we have, we're so excited about this one, is a little sample. You're in fact the first people to get your hands on a little sample of these, of our brand new product, which are wax leaves. So you've been asking for about 2 years now for us to do wax melts, and we wanted to get it right and make sure it was in the style of Kip Candle. So we have these tiny, super sweet little leaf designs. Oh, they smell amazing. This one is chai, but you all got different samples. So they're going to be available very, very soon on the website. Keep your eyes peeled. Just pop them in your wax burner, your oil burner. Let us know what you think. So these Equinox boxes are going to be available all throughout autumn on the website. They won't be mystery boxes anymore, obviously, because I've shown you what's inside. But you can still order one if you're seeing this and thinking, I want a box of cozy. You can still get it.